How to view pages side by side in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and get logged into your Canva account. Once done, get yourself into any project. In order to view images into side by side, make sure that you have 2 or more images in a project. Now let's go ahead and click on this grid option. Once you click onto grid view, you can see images side by side. Now if you would like to expand the image, you can click on this arrow button that will expand your image to full screen. In order to go back, you can press the skip button. In order to turn this into normal position, click onto grid view again. Just like so, this is how it works. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.